Okay? Nasayang yung talon mo, ate. Mag-ilang fats ang naburn mo doon.
What the fuck?
Our champion for the Performance Palooza Talent Extravaganza. Our grand prize winner, our grand prize of 30,000 pesos goes to Jackpot Drivers! First spot! May cellphone na natapon. Congratulations! Our second prize goes to Cool Movers, 20,000 pesos. Yahoo! Oh my God! There you go. Congratulations, guys. Okay na, second prize winners. And now for our grand champion, please take your photo up. Congratulations, Jackpot Drivers.
Enemy spotted.